Divide 888 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting we get 4. So now this 4 is less than 6. So we put down this 8 and it is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. On subtracting we get 0. So 888 divided by 6 is 148. So this much for today and thanks for watching.